how to get free shipping on CNFans or near free shipping. So here are some things that you can do. You want to open up the CNFans app, and then the first thing that I suggest doing is checking your coupons. So you want to click into or click on account in the bottom right. Then right here you will see my coupons. You want to click on my coupons, and here if you have any coupons you want to redeem them. There are different coupons which can reduce the cost of shipping, and also some that may remove it altogether. Now the second thing that I can suggest doing is splitting your orders into packages which are lighter than 5 kilograms. It's going to reduce the cost. So basically you want to search for the items. Let's say you're trying to purchase wallets, and you want to find and get the quantity of your item up to 5 kilograms, but not more, because that is going to increase the cost. I hope these tips help. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.